Well, hello folks, it's Mike here. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron. I know it's been a while, and I almost quit YouTube over this blue can right here. Can you see this? Oh, wait a minute, let me turn it around. This blue can right here of Crisco almost caused me to quit YouTube. Really not this can, but this can was what caused the controversy. I say recently, heck, it's been about 10 months ago now. I made a video about seasoning cast iron with Crisco, and for many years I've used this, and I'm going to tell you what, it does put a very nice layer of seasoning on cast iron. But boy, I'm going to tell you what, the YouTube community nearly crucified me like I was Jesus Christ, going to hang me on the cross and leave me to die right there. And so I get it. I understand why a lot of people are so much against Crisco. And I must say that, hey, I get it. It is bad. It's not good. And I've learned my lesson because I've had some health problems recently. Is another reason why I haven't made any videos. And I've had so many people reach out to me in a text message or email or even comment on previous videos that they haven't seen me make a video in a while, and they were just curious if I was okay. And I played it off and said, yeah, I'm doing pretty good, we'll get back to it soon, and I haven't done it so far. The last video that I recall making was the long form video was back in December of 2024, and then I made a couple shorts after that, and one of them was about scrambled eggs. And did I get crucified for that too? I was just making some scrambled eggs for my wife and granddaughter. And so the YouTube community can be wonderful, and I love it. It's an awesome community, but I'm going to tell you what, there is also that other factor of people that will just freaking nail you down. I mean, just crucify you to the cross. And but anyway, let's get back to this blue can that almost caused me to quit YouTube altogether. And the thing about it is, everybody was talking about how bad Crisco is, and really it is, folks, because I've changed my eating habits, I've changed my eating styles. I had some health problems that I really didn't mention to anybody or anything. And so fatty liver, I had high sugar, high blood pressure, you name it. I had inflammation, I had joint pain, I had all these other things going on, fatigue, brain fog, you name it. And once I eliminated a lot of this crap that is in our foods and in the grocery stores, and I went back to keto style of eating in a sense, or basically even the next step forward would be carnivore, which is a meat-only basic type eating habit, or a way of eating. And so that's what I did. I eliminated a lot, or if not everything, low carb to no carb, and just basically a meat only. Meat, salt, I eat bacon, beef, butter, eggs, I eat shrimp and salmon and all kinds of things really, but just very little, if any, vegetables at all. No breads, no pastas, no rice, nothing like that. No sweets, no soft drinks, none of that crap. But let's get back to this can here. This can is what was a lot of the problem that caused me to nearly quit YouTube because of the comments. And let me just read the ingredients off of this. And once again, let me say this. Hey, I get it. It puts a very good layer of seasoning on a cast iron skillet. You've seen my video. You've seen what it looks like in the finished product. But I want you to just listen to this ingredient list. It says ingredients. Number one, the very first ingredient is soybean oil. The next one is fully hydrogenated palm oil. And then palm oil, mono and diglycerides, TBHC, and citric acid for an antioxidant. I don't know what any of that crap is hardly, except for soybean oil. But anyway, it's not good. It's inflammatory oils. They're a product of manufacturing. They're seed oils that are processed at a factory. They're not natural like lard or bacon grease. You've seen my bacon grease videos. I really like bacon grease, love lard, love tallow. I've made tallow videos as well. And those are all saturated fats from animals, which are actually the best for you, even though, we've been told that they're not good and we need to eliminate all saturated fats like that. But let me listen here now. Hold on just a minute. Just hold on just a second. Listen to the warnings on the side of this can. It says, warning, shortening will catch fire if overheated. Damage or serious burns may result. Do heat shortening carefully, uncovered on medium heat. Do reduce heat if smoking occurs. Do not leave unattended while heating. Do not refill can with hot shortening. If shortening catches fire, do turn off the heat. Do cover pot until cool to room temperature to avoid reignition. Do not carry pot until cool. And do not put water on a hot or flaming shortening. So, not only has it got bad oils in it, but it comes with a warning that, this is definitely not a good thing. And so anyway, I just wanted to come to you guys, let you know why old Mr. Cast Iron hadn't been around for a while, but just hold on to your britches, because we're going to be back and we're going to be talking about this new way of life. This channel originally created it as a keto type channel. We initially changed it later on after a while to a cast iron only basically type channel, and we're going to continue to do all of it. I'm going to make keto type recipes. I'm going to make carnivore type recipes. I'm going to keep cleaning, seasoning, and answering questions about cast iron and different things like that. I'm going to continue to show you some of the cast iron skillets and Dutch ovens that I've personally bought or that I'm cleaning up for a customer or something like that. So you guys hang on. It's good to see you again. I was glad to be back, but I just wanted to share with you what was the controversy. It was my health mainly, but it was another thing of how we were crucified over a couple videos that we created, and I got big shoulders. I can handle it. So anyway, we're back in black, and we'll see you guys again. Y'all have a great day. Now it's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.